I'm quoting here literally from a source who's just contacted me confidentially to confirm something that you and I first spoke about a month or two ago. You'll all remember that we did a story, and I did it also on News Nation, where we talked about the Alaska UAP object. And I said definitively that sources of mine were telling me that the Alaska object was anomalous. I didn't have a lot of information at the time, but I now do. I've just received this. The Pentagon tracked the Alaska object, confirmed that it was a silver cylindrical UAP and not a balloon. The president, Joe Biden, ordered the shoot done, and multiple assets were involved with the recovery. HC-130, F-16s for cover, and OGA black helicopters. That's a direct quote from somebody who has a source in the Pentagon, and he says that he is 100% certain of this account.